Greetings from the International Space Station. On behalf of the Expedition 74 crew, coming to you from 250 miles above Earth, we are excited to celebrate the FIFA World Cup with people from all over the world.
Here on the space station, we conduct research that drives exploration and innovation that impacts life on Earth, even in sports performance, material sciences, and human endurance.
In fact, because of research conducted on the space station, electronics are now included in major tournament soccer balls for the 2026 World Cup, which ensure the soccer ball is balanced statically and dynamically for best performance.
The World Cup is more than a tournament. It's a global phenomenon that pushes the boundaries of innovation, pioneers new technology, and drives human performance, similar to what we do here at NASA.
During the Artemis 2 mission, astronauts traveled farther than any human has traveled in over 50 years, and that was just the beginning. We are focused on sending humans to the surface of the moon and to Mars.
But whether on the soccer pitch or in orbit, it's the connection to each other that is so special. From our view above planet Earth, as we gather with the same passion and excitement for the game, the world doesn't look like a collection of opposing sides. It looks like a masterpiece of cooperation.
Different teams, same planet, one crew.
No matter who you're cheering for, cheer with all your heart, because we want to hear that excitement all the way up here